Good morning, class Earth. Study. I have given you the introduction of the fourth chapter of your history, tribal decoys and the vision of the golden age. Yesterday we have studied about the tribals, that who are the tribals, from where they come. Now today we are going to study tribal societies under the British rule. The British supported the Zamindari system because they wanted some middlemen for the officials of the East India Company to establish their control over the country. British always liked the Zamindari system because they wanted a middleman, they wanted a agent which maintain the cooperation, which maintain the cooperation between the East India Company and the common people to establish their control over the country. Both the forests that belong to the Adivasis for the thousands of years Both the forests that belong to the Adivasis for the thousands of years and settled farmlands owned by the non-Adivasis peasants were placed under the Zamindari by the British. Means दोनों the forests that belong to the Adivasis, वे लोग जो आदिवासियों से बिलोंग करते थे, फॉर द थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर्स, हजारों वर्षों पहले से, एंड सेटल्ड फार्मलैंड्स ओन्ड बाय द नॉन आदिवासी पीजेंट्स, और वो लोग जो फार्मलैंड को इस्टेब्लिश करके उन पे आधिपत्य जमाते हुए, ओनरशिप अपना डिक्लेयर करते हुए नॉन आदिवासियों की तरह से, नॉन आदिवासीज मतलब कॉमन पीपल की तरह से, जनरल किसानों की तरह से काम करते हैं, वो ज़मींदार के अंडर लाए गए अंग्रेज़ों के द्वारा. In the forest areas, the tribes used herbs for medicines. In forest areas, the Adivasis the tribal community used herbs as medicines, wood for agricultural implements, bamboo for making fences. Means जो ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी जंगलों में रहती थी, वो साकी पौधों का प्रयोग, मुलायम साकी पौधों का प्रयोग दवाओं के रूप में करती थी. लकड़ियों के इम्प्लीमेंट औजार बनाती थी खेती करने के लिए, बांस की दीवार बनाती थी, बास्केट बनाती थी, एंड अम्ब्रेला अपने लिए छाता बनाती थी. The tribes were totally dependent on forest products. ये ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी पूरी तरह डिपेंड करती थी फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट पे. They were fully dependent on the products whatever they gained from the forest. Due to the cutting of forest, Adivasis were deprived of the forest resources they traditionally depend on. But when the forests were cut down, the Adivasis were fully deprived of the forest resources they traditionally depend on. Thus, they were forced to borrow from the moneylenders or zamindars and were caught in non-ending debt. That's why they were forced to take the debt from the money lenders or zamindars, and whatever the loan they had taken, they were the non-ending debt. वह एक ऐसा कर्ज हो गया जो कभी समाप्त ही नहीं हुआ. They had to work without getting any payment for their services, and they were forced to do the work without getting any payment against their work, against their service. This practice was called bonded laborer or begari. This type of practice is known as bonded laborer or begari. Now on page number 24, the main features of tribal life is given. The first one is ट्राइबल पीपल लिव्ड विद इन अ डेफिनिट टोपोग्राफी. एक निश्चित टोपोग्राफी में ट्राइबल पीपल रहते थे. ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरे देश में यहाँ वहाँ वो फैले हुए हों. नो, दे वर इस्टेब्लिश्ड इन अ पर्टिकुलर स्पेशल टोपोग्राफी. दे हैड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंस ऑफ यूनिटी. इनके अंदर एक स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंस था यूनिटी का. दे वर यूनाइटेड. दे जनरली डिड नॉट मैरी आउटसाइड देयर ट्राइब्स. दे वर मैरिड इनसाइड द ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज. दे डिड नॉट मैरी आउटसाइड द ट्राइब्स. मेंबर्स ऑफ अ ट्राइब एक्सचेंज देयर व्यूज इन अ कॉमन डायलेक्ट. एक साधारण सभा में बैठ करके इस ट्राइबल ग्रुप के सभी मेंबर अपने व्यूज़ को शेयर करते थे, अपने व्यूज़ को एक्सचेंज करते थे, आदान प्रदान करते थे. ब्लड रिलेशन वॉज द ग्रेटेस्ट बॉन्ड. दे वर रेस्पेक्ट द ब्लड रिलेशनशिप. They had a great sensitivity of blood relationship. Tribal members show full respect to their chief, who were being the chief of the tribal community. All the members and all the community persons respected him well. Common culture of a tribe springs out from the sense of unity. एक सामान्य संस्कृति होती थी ट्राइबल ग्रुप की, जिसके द्वारा एक सेंस ऑफ यूनिटी को शो किया जाता था, कॉमन लैंग्वेज को शो किया जाता था एंड कॉमन रिलीजन को शो किया जाता था. ऑल मेंबर्स इंजॉयड इक्वल स्टेटस एंड फ्रीडम. हर सदस्य को समान अधिकार प्राप्त थे, समान स्वतंत्रता प्राप्त थी. They had enjoyed the equal freedom and status. Tribes believe in certain myths. कुछ निर्धारित लोक कथाओं पर आधारित हुआ करता था यह ट्राइबल ग्रुप. Some of the tribes had the varied occupation and activities. There are some of the tribal communities which have the different occupation and activities. The table given below some details of tribes in India. Here the name of the tribal group and in which state that tribal group is found is mentioned in this table. You have to read it. After that we have to study about shifting cultivators. So thank you for today. From tomorrow we will have the topic of shifting cultivators.